Hi, SPAPP Monitoring is a full tracking app used for parental control and employee monitoring. In this video, I'll show you how to install SPAPP Monitoring on a device with Android 10. First of all, you need physical access to the target device. After it, you need to make sure Play Protect is off. So, go to Google Play, tap on its menu, now find Play Protect and select it. Go to Play Protect settings, it's on the right corner, and switch Scan apps with Play Protect off. Confirm it by tapping on Turn off. Now we'll start the installation itself. So go to Devices browser. In my case, this is Google Chrome, but you can use any other browser. Type spappmonitoring.com and tap on Enter. Now tap on Download one more time on the download icon, and now you need to insert the security code AF8. Now you need to select that you agree terms of service. Normally you need to go to the link to read it, and after to go back and to continue the install. After, you need to confirm that you are at least 18 years old and that you understand that the application must be used legally. Now I will tap on Download. The application is downloaded and I will open it. This is a warning from the Google Chrome app that we need to give access to install from unknown sources. So I will go to Settings and I will switch on Allow from this source. Now I'm going back and I continue the install. So tap on Install. Now I open the app, and as you can see, all the permissions are on, so please leave them like this. This is very important in order to get all the logs. So tap on Continue. This is a warning specific for Android 10. Just tap on Start Now. This is a warning that this app is made for versions of Android 9 and lower. However, as you can see in this video, you can install it and use it for Android 10, so it's just a warning. Tap on OK. And of course, you need to allow the application to run in background. This is very important, so please tap on Allow. Now you have the option to display or not the notification. I will choose to display. Why I'm doing this? Because I want the app to not be interrupted by any inbuilt task killer. So I recommend you to do the same. And at the end of the install, I will show you how to take off the app icon from the push notifications bar. Okay. So now I will tap on Accept Next. Normally, if you install the app the first time on a device, you'll see this page a little bit different. You'll see the email address 2 lines and the password again 2 lines. This is in order for you to be sure you write it right. So in my case, I already installed it once, so I need just to write the password. I will insert it now. After, I need to accept the terms of service and of course tap on Login. Next page is regarding the notifications settings. This is very important to enable because by doing this you'll receive all the incoming social media messages. So I'm selecting notifications settings and I will switch on for backup. That is actually SPAPP monitoring. I'll confirm this by tapping on Allow. Now the next page of the apps menu is regarding the accessibility settings. Again, this is very important, so please do not ignore it. By enabling accessibility, you'll receive all the outgoing social media messages browsers logs, and of course call monitoring. On Android 10, this is very important, including for call monitoring. So tap on accessibility settings. Now you have the downloaded service is SPAPP Monitoring, tap on it, and switch on use service. Confirm it by tapping on allow. We are again in the apps menu. You have the option to view logs, to check warnings, or to exit. I will go to check warnings, just to show you what warnings here are. The first one is regarding the first step you actually did, the play protect, so you can disable it already. The second one is regarding the admin rights, so you can enable or not the admin rights. This is up to you. After it is regarding the app usage settings, I will go to this and I will enable this. This is very important for app usage logs. Okay, so switch on. And the last one is regarding the GPS logs. In order to receive GPS logs, you need to enable GPS receiver. So I will disable this warning and I will go back. Again, the same warning regarding the recordings for Android 10. So start now again and exit. So now SPAPP Monitoring is installed and ready to start. However, I will show you a few tricks. The first one, as you can see, SPAPP Monitoring icon is on the main screen. So I will show you how to take it off. Okay. Tap on backup and press it. And take it and go to remove. Now you can take off your finger. Okay. You don't need to take off the finger before going to remove. This is very important. And the second thing, because I did enable the push notification for SPAPP Monitoring, as you can see, this is in the notification bar. Usually this is a little bit annoying, especially if you have more notifications, yeah. So I will show you how to take it off. Go to settings, go to apps and notifications, tap on see all 76 apps in my case, in your case it could be less or more, and find backup, that is actually SPAPP Monitoring. Select it. Now go to notifications and switch off show notifications. Okay, that's all. From this moment, the notification will not be displayed on the phone anymore, but the processes will still run and the SPAPP monitoring processes will not be paused or stopped by any inbuilt task killer. So please do these steps, okay? However, even by doing these last two steps, by hiding the icon from the main screen and from the notification bar, we remind you that SPAPP monitoring is not invisible. When used on adults, written permission may be needed from the target device's user. So it is better to check your local laws if needed, and please use it legally and responsibly. If you find this video is useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful information. Bye!